Seth here from macOS 10 screencasts.com. In this screencast I'd like to show you how to prevent iTunes from automatically starting from within Safari, Firefox or Google Chrome. I came across a blog entry on the unofficial Apple weblog and thought it would be quite cool to have this as a screencast on our website. And you can go to 2F if you want, but sure, I recommend watching our movie to get this kind of workflow accomplished. I've created a tiny URL you might want to visit. This leads directly to the 2F website. And let's start with the screencast by going to the iTunes website on apple.com. I've created a simple small weblog on my desktop, and we will start in Safari. I open this one now. Now, Safari goes to the website, says it's opening iTunes, and a few seconds later iTunes is already open and we see that we are now in the iTunes store where we can actually buy this application. Don't mind this pound symbol here because I'm currently in the UK, as you might know. So how can we prevent iTunes from automatically open from within Safari? This is quite a hassle in Safari. First of all, you need to go to the GreaseKit website and download the GreaseKit package. And before downloading the GreaseKit package, you need to install the so-called Symbol plugin. This is an input manager, so if you don't like input managers, don't do that. Just disable JavaScript or something else. Okay, this is the Symbol link. Just download this little plugin as well as the GreaseKit plugin. I've done that already. So this is the installer from Symbol. Just click continue and install the plugin. Then mount the GreaseKit DMG. I've selected this one now, copy to the clipboard, and the easiest way to install this is to go to your home folder, go to application support in the library, and there should be a new folder called Symbol. I have no such folder, therefore I create one, and in this folder I create another folder called plugins, and in this plugin folder I copy or paste the GreaseKit bundle. So now when we restart our Safari, you see in the menu bar that we have a new menu entry called GreaseKit. There all our userscripts.org scripts will be installed. I'm opening now another weblog. This one takes us directly to the Stop iTunes Grease Monkey script. I'm installing this one immediately, and now we have this new script installed in GreaseKit. And now when we go to the sample toy iTunes preview website, the iTunes program isn't launching anymore. So you might want to download these three things in order to prevent iTunes from automatically opening. Second browser, Firefox, also very popular. Let's see if it's let's see how Firefox is handling iTunes. Here in Firefox we see a launch application dialog coming up, and here we want to make sure that never iTunes will be launched, and we might click remember my choice for ITMS links and then click cancel. But some users don't have this option, therefore it might be very useful to create it. To do this, just go to the menu bar or the location bar, sorry, enter about semicolon config, and there you have to promise that you will be careful. And first of all, let's see if any ITMS entries are already created. There are none here in my configuration. Let me just quickly remove our search by clicking the small X symbol on the top right. And now let's do a right click here and create a new value, a boolean. There we enter a very long string. It is network dot protocol minus handler dot is a warning or warn external dot ITMS. Okay, we set our current value to true, and when we now search here, we see that the network handler has been added to the list. And yeah, this is how you can prevent iTunes from opening automatically from within Firefox. This was a bit easier. If you have Grease Monkey already installed in Firefox, you might just use the provided userscripts.org JavaScript, which also prevents iTunes from automatically opening. But if you don't like to install so many add-ons in your Firefox browser, you might want just to use our workaround here, or the unofficial weblog workaround. Last but not least, let's check out Google Chrome. Again, let's see how Google Chrome opens iTunes. In Google Chrome, we see instantly a similar dialog coming up like in Firefox, which asks us if you want to launch the application or not. Here we want to make sure that we want to remember the choice and don't launch iTunes. But there are other ways to, or there's another way to prevent iTunes from opening from Chrome. These options are found in the Google Chrome's preferences. And let me just bring up the Google Chrome preferences window from Chrome. Here we select under the hood and click content settings in the privacy section. Let me move this window to our view. JavaScript. And here we want to create a new exception. Again, the window is out of sight. Let's create a new exception here. I click the plus button, and here you want to enter itunes.apple.com. And on the right hand side in the action section, we want to make sure that block is selected. And now whenever we go to a itunes.apple.com website, on this website no JavaScript is being executed. This is similar to how it's working in Firefox with the Grease Monkey script, but it's a bit easier here in Google Chrome. Just prevent JavaScript on the whole website. I hope you like this tip, and see you later next time. Bye.